Now, I have for the longest of times been giving you guys the target at $120,000 a Bitcoin as my potential top call for the bull market. And it's based on this chart, looking at the halving cycles of Bitcoin, halving 1, 2, 3, those are the vertical red lines, and the projected next halving, which should be in around March 2028. And then using that and putting a time scale on them and finding that there's a coincidence, 32.8% of the time between it, Bitcoin tops out each time, and at 61.8 or the 618% of the time between the halvings, Bitcoin bottoms down to give us a bear market, which means that we still have time at least until November, September this year for the bull top to be in, and then only we need to be out of the markets for at least up until August 2026 next year. And that's when the most of the punishment will then occur. Okay,